Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox Grid. Today we will be looking at how to enable or add eSIM in your iPhone 11. We have two models. iPhone 15 is by default compatible, of course, and iPhone 11 is also compatible, but let's see how you can add an eSIM to it. There are two ways to add. One is by going to the outlet of your service provider, that is one way, and the another way is if you have the details of the SIM card, you can go to settings, and from settings you need to go to cellular. In cellular, just scroll a bit down and you will see an option for adding eSIM. So the first and the easiest way is, if you have an existing iPhone, you can directly transfer the SIM card from your older iPhone to the iPhone 11, which is the first option. And the second option is using a QR code which you may have received when you purchase the physical SIM. So that's it guys. The iPhone 11 is compatible with eSIM, and these are the two ways wherein you can activate the eSIM. Thank you for watching.